Now next students will continue with atoms and will continue with molecules. Okay, so molecules we can classify it in two types: molecules of element and second, molecules of compound. Okay, and this molecules of elements again you can subdivide into monoatomic molecules. Mono means one, atomic means atoms. So molecules which contain one atoms. Molecules which contain one atom and exist freely. Because molecules, you know what is molecules? Molecules are smallest particle of element or compound which can exist freely. Just now I discussed about it. What are molecules? Molecules are smallest particle of element or compound, elements or compound which can exist freely. Molecules again you can divide into two parts: molecules of element, molecules of compound. And molecules of element again you can subdivide into different parts. First, monoatomic molecules. Mono means one. So the molecule which contains one atom and exists freely. So which molecules are made up of only one atom? Molecules of noble gases, because noble gases are unreactive. Okay, so if I say helium atom, He, helium molecule, He. Okay, so example, helium molecule. So what will be the formula? He. Neon molecule. So what will be the formula? Ne. Clear? Next, second, diatomic molecule. Now di means two, atomic means atoms. So the molecules containing two atoms and which exist freely. So which molecules contain two atoms, two same kind of atoms? Because this is molecules of element. Molecules of element we are talking here. So one atom or two atom, molecules containing one atom, two atom or three atoms. But that will be of the same element. That will be of the same element. Okay? Molecules of element. So what is molecules of element? Molecules which contain one, two or three atoms or more atoms of same element and exist as one species and exist freely. Okay, so diatomic molecule, molecule containing two atoms of same element and which exist freely. So example, molecule with two atoms of same element, oxygen molecule. What is formula oxygen molecule? O2. Nitrogen molecule, N2. So it has two oxygen atoms, O2, two nitrogen atoms. So this molecule N2 contains how many atoms? Two atoms of same element. Which element? Nitrogen, and it can exist freely. Oxygen molecule, two atoms of oxygen, two atoms of same element oxygen and which can exist freely. O2 exists as gas, nitrogen gas, it can exist freely. Next, triatomic molecule. Tri means three And atomic means atoms. So molecules with 3 atoms of same element. Molecules are molecules with 3 atoms of same element which can exist freely. Example, ozone, O3. How many atoms in ozone? 3 atoms of oxygen. Same element oxygen. How many atoms? 3 atoms. And it can exist freely, ozone gas. So, triatomic molecule, molecule containing 3 atoms which can of same element and which can exist freely. So, because we are talking here about molecules of element. And what is element? Element is pure substance made up of same kind of atoms. Element is pure substance made up of same kind of atoms. So students, in the beginning of this class, I discussed about element, about compound, because that concept should be clear before proceeding to atoms and molecules. Okay. Next, tetraatomic molecules. Tetra means 4. So molecules containing 4 atoms of same element which can exist freely. Example, phosphorus molecule. And what is formula of phosphorus molecule? P4, not P2 or P3. What is phosphorus molecule? P4. So phosphorus molecule contains 4 atoms of same element phosphorus and which can exist freely. Okay, next, polyatomic molecules. Now what is poly? More than 4 atoms. Molecules having more than 4 atoms of same element and can exist freely. Now students, can you guess molecules with more than 4 atoms of same element and can exist freely? Sulfur molecule. Example, sulfur molecule. And what is formula of sulfur molecule? S8. So sulfur molecule has 8 atoms of same element sulfur and which can exist freely. So this is all about molecules of element. Molecules you can divide in 2 parts. Molecules of element, molecules of compound. And what is molecules? Molecules are smallest particle of element or smallest particle of compound which can exist freely. So these all are molecules of element. It is smallest particle of element. These all are smallest particles of element which can exist freely. And this molecule of elements, these molecules can contain 1 atom, 2 atom, 3 atom, 4 atom or more than 4 atoms of same element which exist as one species and can exist freely. Okay, clear? Now next we'll discuss about molecules of compound.